Okay, guys, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Can you read the conversation in correct pronunciation?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Mr. Mevlan and Sarah, can you read the conversation?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, read it out, please.
Jack, Leo, I think I've lost the passport.
How stupid of you. Jack, didn't you put them in your pocket?
In his pocket, here's a pen, a pencil, a postcard, a pin.
Oh, stop taking things out of your pockets. Perhaps you have put them in the plastic bag.
Emptying the plastic bag, here's a newspaper, an apple, a pair of plastic cup, a spoon, some paper plates, a piece of potato pie, a paper pot.
Oh, stop pulling things out of the plastic bag. Jack, these people are getting impatient.
Wait, I got it. Here you are.
Oh, Jack, you are going to kill me. Okay, let's go. We don't have much time.
Okay, that's very good. Then clap for them. Nice, awesome. And say bye-bye.
Bye.
Tata.
Tata.
See you.
See you.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
See you again.
See you again.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.